Hola, clase. Alright, your warm-up. Escribe 5 frases en el pretérito con verbos con cambios radicales. Those are your stem-changing verbs in the preterite that we went over yesterday. Alright, vamos a revisar. Remember we talked about the preterite. It is one of the past tenses, the only one we've done so far. It's used to talk about a completed event in the past, like a flash or a picture. All right, your regular verbs, the endings have changed for preterite. For AR, aste, o, amos, astes, arom. Okay, do not forget your accents over the E for the yo and the O for the ele, ya, usted. Okay, ERs and IRs, they conjugate in the exact same way. I, iste, yo, imos, istes, ieron. Okay, accent on the I and on the O. All right, we also did ser and ir irregulars. Exact same thing. Fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuisteis, fueron. We did hacer, another irregular preterite. Hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, histeis, hicieron. Okay, we did dar and ver. Di, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dieron. Vi, viste, vio, vimos, visteis, vieron. Okay, we talked about the cargars ars only happens in yo. Car changes to que with a QUE. Gar changes to que with a GUE. And sar changes to se with a CE. Again, only in the yo. Spelling changes so that the sound stays the same. And we talked about those verbs that have an I to Y. Anytime there's what would be a triple vowel combination, like here in oír, it normally would be O-I-O. You can't have a triple vowel, so that I changes to a Y. Oyo, oyeron. Notice it only happens in the ele, ya, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. These are the three from this unit. It'll happen in any verb where the ele, ya, usted, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes would normally form a triple vowel. It only happens with ERs and IRs. Okay? Those we should know really well at this point, all that section of the preterite, and we're still not done with the preterite. Okay, remember yesterday we went over stem changers in the preterite. That's new to this unit, in Unit 8. We have stem changing verbs in the preterite. Remember, it's only the IR verbs that also have a stem change in the present tense. They will stem change in the preterite. When they stem change in the preterite, it only happens in ele, ya, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. Also, the stem will only change E to I and O to U. So all those E to IEs will only be E to Is. E to Is will still just be E to I. And the O to UEs will only be O to U. Okay, only IR verbs. Only in your two bottom forms, ele, ya, usted, ellos, ellas, ustedes. And it only happens E to I and O to U. Okay, dormir. One of our verbs. In the preterite, dormi, dormiste, regular there. And then here it has your stem change, durmió. Still regular IR ending is the stem change, O to U here. Okay, and then it goes back to regular, dormimos, dormisteis. And then in ellos, ellas, ustedes, stem change again, durmieron. Pedir, pedí, pediste, pidió. Pedimos, pedisteis, and pidieron. Okay? This was the new part of preterite that we're just adding to all the other preterite verbs. We're still using the other preterite verbs just like you would in any conversation, but we're adding this new set. All right, vamos a practicar. Preferir para Mariana. What would that be? Prefirió. Remember, when you have two E's there, it's always the one closest to the ending. So it's this one, prefirió. Servir para yo. Well, that's regular. Serví. Remember, the stem change only happens in ele, ya, usted, or ellas, ellas, ustedes. Yo is regular. All right, dormir para ellos. Durmieron. That's where the stem change occurs. Pedir para tú. Pediste. It's regular there. Almorzar para Carlos y yo. That's going to be almorzamos, regular. Seguir, para ellos, siguieron. That falls in the stem change. Él, ella, usted, and ellos, ellas, ustedes. Siguieron. All right, today I'm going to have you practice your stem changers. Don't forget all the other preterites that we've talked about, but you're going to practice stem changers today. There's a VHL exercise called completar, and it works with your stem changing verbs in the preterite. Anytime you're on VHL, be careful with your spelling, your accent marks. VHL makes your accent marks really easy to use. At the top of every section, it gives you a little bar where it shows you the letters with accents. Just click on those anytime you get to it. Okay? Don't forget, if your verb is reflexive, you still need to use the reflexive pronouns there. And then you conjugate your verb as you normally would. Okay? That's going to be it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios. Hope you have a great week.